Hi, welcome to Be Artist YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe us.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. I can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above, and the night is just as young as both of us. So let's just stay together, make our own forever. Be my guilty pleasure. Your love is both nights. I'm gonna see the stars in your eyes. Are you gonna take me to the other side? Are you gonna be my summer loving, all or nothing? You hit me like a landslide.
Thank you for watching this video. If you did not subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button below to get latest videos.